Hey guys, Dylan Afazio here, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be sharing with you how to get traffic and sales from YouTube videos without ever actually making a video. Now, this is using a brand new software which just launched the other day. If you guys want to get access to that software, there will be a link in the description below. And in this video, what I'm going to be sharing with you is what the product is and how it's actually going to solve a problem for you, which is creating affiliate sites. Now, videos are the winner. Videos, they get the most retention rate, they get the most bang and conversion rate from them. So that is something that you want to be focusing on. If you're just writing out massive blogs, or maybe you're not even writing out anything, this is going to allow you to create affiliate sites, promote different products and things like that, and you can create as many sites that you want, promoting any offer from a ClickBank offer to a Warrior Plus offer, or maybe a CPA offer, or whatever it might be. So I'm actually going to show you guys inside of one of the funnels that I set up. It was actually really simple leveraging this tool. So let's jump into that and I'll show you guys exactly what that is. Alright, so this is a product page that I set up. Now these are using videos that I didn't create. I didn't create any of these videos, but it's just using content that is out there, and then the software compiles it all together and puts it into a website, okay? Now the cool thing about this is, if you remember on the campaign builder, you can actually create your, it creates an automated a sales funnel or a landing page, so you can set up your landing page here. I have to fix my form, it's messed up there, but this is a landing page that you can get. I normally create my own, but it's pretty cool if you're brand new and you just want to use this template, plug it into your autoresponder, and then you can create your email list. So it does two of those things, which is amazing for such a software. It does everything that you need it to, and you can even get a couple upgrades where they'll let you create bonus pages and sales pages with bonuses added every hour or so. If you guys want to check out more information, just head over to the TubeSiphon page. There's a link in the description below, and you guys can just check out more information over there, okay? But what it does is it creates this page, sets up all of these videos. I just simply went to YouTube, searched up some keto videos, and then it created this page for me. All right, then you can go, it has an about me section, or what I like to call your main video. So you can set your main video up, and somebody goes through, watches this video, they click the button, they're going to get sent over to the product that I'm promoting on ClickBank, and then if they make a purchase or whatever, I'm going to make a commission. Okay, so that's how these affiliate site works. And if you guys look over here, I'm just going to move my camera. If you guys look over here, you can see that I have two products right now. This is like just a quick test site that I set up. I just grabbed a product, threw it up there, and set that up. But it's pretty cool. It was really simple, and now I've just got some random traffic going to it, just to test and see how it's going. So you've got these products up here. If somebody clicks, they can get their custom keto diet, and then there's another one where they can get these two books for free. Okay, so pretty awesome software in itself. It's very simple to set up, and if we actually just go in here, I'll just show you guys the edit tab here real quick. So if we actually go into the campaign builder here, and I just click on edit, what you can see here is you have these different landing pages, right, which it automatically creates. You can choose from a couple different templates that they have, and then in the site settings, you can actually go through, set up your logo, set up your background picture. I have Google AdSense on the way right now, so even if somebody doesn't purchase, as long as you're sending traffic to it, you could even make commissions from Google AdSense, which is pretty awesome. And then we just have our call to action link, which goes to our YouTube or our ClickBank, and then you have all of that there. And then the user setting, that's where if you actually go over here, that's where you have this right here. So this title and description, you can set all that up. Oh, I lost my page. Right, and then you have a couple other, if you guys grab the bonuses, like I said, there's the bonus builder, there's a bunch of conversion tools and stuff like that. So if you guys ended up picking up any of the bonuses, there's that. There is one thing that I am going to be getting, which is the unlimited package. I didn't get it right away because I wanted to test the program, but I'm definitely getting the unlimited package. That way I can create product categories, and I can have multiple different shops, right? Because you need to set up a category. So I can have my keto shop, and then what I'm going to be doing too is every time I do a review on a product, I'm going to post that video onto the DeFazio Reviews site. So if you guys seen here, I have the DeFazio Reviews site. So I'm going to be posting review videos, and then obviously if you guys want to use those, right, if you decide to grab the product, you can just go to that site, you know, right click, copy the link, or I'm actually going to set up a channel playlist, right, and then I'll put that as DeFazio Reviews, so you can actually just go through. I'll launch that here in a further video when I do some more product reviews. But what you can do is just hit that subscribe button if you guys want to stay tuned for that, and then I'm going to be launching those videos. So every time I add a new video or whatever, I'll launch it. You guys can just see it on the YouTube channel, and then we'll post it there. So that's one thing that I'm going to be giving you guys as a bonus if you guys want to pick it up, or if you just have TubeSiphon in general, you can just use those videos, plug them onto your site, and then you'll start getting sales. You can change out the links in the product. So if I actually go over to the products, you can change out everything that you need. So if I go into the keto diet, let me just see here. So I have my picture there, right? If I wanted to, I can set up the download button link, right? So every time you have a new product, you can set up a download button link, and then that's how you're going to do that. So if we go into the YouTube search tool, right, this is how you do it per video. So I have the keto diet plan. So if I go edit, I can see all of my videos. I can edit them and organize them how I want, right? So I have this here. So if this was a video promoting a specific product, maybe it be, like a webcam or a camera or headphones or something, you can just go grab a video, a review of those headphones, plug it in here, and then just put the link to, Amazon or wherever the purchase is, and then you can do that. So with the DeFazio Reviews, say, this is a review for the TubeSiphon program, right, the TubeSiphon software. So you can take my TubeSiphon video, plug it in there, put your link from Warrior Plus, right, to TubeSiphon, and then you can actually make commissions from my videos. And then you can use that as a bonus to try and get people to opt into your list, right? You can say, hey, use these videos. I'm actually going to film a video, right? If we remember, we have that top video here. So I'm going to film a video, and I'm going to launch that to people, and then when they click the button there, they'll be able to, copy this entire formula, and then everybody can use that page as a way to generate automated affiliate commissions. Okay, so pretty cool software. If you guys also want to get access to, I have the autopilot cash machines. So I'm actually going to be going through and setting up a specific sales funnel. It'll have this video here as the sales video, and then I've created a sales page. I have a 50-day email follow-up, and I also have a multiple income stream. So on the bonus page, when people purchase the product, they'll get this sales machine as a bonus, and then when they actually go through and set that sales machine up, they're going to be able to earn from four different income streams, and that is one of the bonuses that I'm going to be giving. So if you guys decide to pick that up, you can go through and check that out here. I'll show you guys the sales page. So this is for one of the programs or one of the products that I promote, right? So just a very simple sales page. And then if we go over here for Affiliate Robot, this is a brand new one that I launched, right? So I'll have review videos on DeFazio Reviews, right? And then you guys get these sales funnels when you purchase the product, okay? So you go through, you get this entire sales funnel. It's just a bridge page that I went through and set up, which increases the conversion so that you guys can make more sales. Okay, so you go through, say you decided to pick up Affiliate Robot, you would get this entire sales funnel, right, with the landing page for Affiliate Robot 2, which is this one. So you get that all included, plus you can actually make some extra income. So if you guys want to check that out, all you got to do is click the link below in this video, grab the product, grab TubeSiphon, and then you'll get your bonus when you go to, you guys go up here and go to purchase history. When you actually go to, log into your product, that's where you'll see the bonus to download this sales funnel. Okay, so once you actually, purchase the program and you've entered the bonus page, I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough of how this system works and how my sales funnels works. Okay, so when you need to make a sale online, you want to be capturing people's emails, you want to pre-sell them to the offer, and then you want to promote the offer in itself. Okay, and those three are how you make the sale. And then obviously you need traffic in order to run to that sales funnel to make those sales. Okay, so step number one, you want to have somewhere where you can capture leads. Step number two, you want to pre-sell and then sell that person on the product, preferably without you having to be there. And then you want to have a traffic source so that you can rinse and repeat this. Okay, so once you guys make a purchase, you'll be able to get access to the Autopilot Cash Machines Facebook group, where I post all of these machines, and then you guys can just go through and copy a link, plug it into our system, and then you have your funnel created. Okay, so step number one, I show you guys how to get your Warrior Plus affiliate link. That way you can earn commissions promoting the product. Okay, step number two, I show you how to set up the Power Lead System, which is a software which I use to create the landing page, create the sales page, and then share it with everybody. Okay, so it's a program that's been around for years. I've been using it for years. You guys will see that in the video. All you have to do is just simply copy that code and you get this entire sales funnel. All right, step number three, obviously we want to be having our leads added to our email list. So I show you guys how to get Aweber, and then Aweber is also another income stream. Okay, so in this bonus page, there's 4 income streams. You have your Warrior Plus, which you've already earned from. You have your Power Lead System, which is going to pay you $20 per month. You have your Aweber, which is going to pay you anywhere from $10 to hundreds of dollars per month, depending on how big your affiliates get their email list. Okay, so I actually give you guys a 50-day email sequence, and again, we're using Aweber because it has high delivery rates, and the ability to share this sales funnel with everybody makes it like no other email marketing software. Okay, and then step number 4, obviously we need to get traffic. Okay, so with Udemy, right, you sign up, I show you guys how to plug in your affiliate links, and then when anybody goes through the funnel, they purchase traffic, you're actually going to make a commission. Okay, so that is the power behind this system. So not only are you going to make commissions if somebody buys TubeSiphon, you're also going to make 3 additional income streams when somebody goes through and they set up this bonus page. Okay, guys, so I hope you guys understand the system. I hope you guys understand the process. If you guys want to grab TubeSiphon, let me know. Just click the link in the description below. That'll bring you over to TubeSiphon. And if you guys want to, if you guys enjoyed this, let me know in the comments if you guys made it this far. I'd really appreciate some feedback if you guys are enjoying these systems, or maybe I should create different videos. I'd love to hear your feedback so that I can continue growing and helping you guys succeed making money online. Okay, so this is Dylan DeFazio, and I'll see you guys in future videos. Have a great day.